Influenza has been suppressed to a certain degree the past couple of winters. I would say we're overdue.
Winter is coming and the flu is riding along with it. Rob Miller is the health director of the Eastern Highlands Health District, covering parts of Windham and Tolland counties. He says it's hard to predict how the flu season will look, but says it won't be like recent years.
In our efforts to suppress COVID-19, we were effective in suppressing many of the other respiratory illnesses.
Many safety precautions that started during the pandemic, like mask wearing and social distancing, have mostly fizzled away. Miller says relaxed mitigation efforts may drive up flu cases in Connecticut. Michelle Grouse says she's preparing for that.
I think it's going to add to an increase in cases for sure. I mean, we've definitely been protecting ourselves in excess over the last couple of years. So now that we've pulled back on masking and we're more than okay with going out and crowds, we're more inclined to get sick where we may not have in the past.
Many states are already starting to see high flu numbers. Connecticut is still considered low, but to our west, New York City and the rest of the Empire State is seeing high numbers. Miller says that is a concern if it will cross state lines into Connecticut.
Our populations are integrated, particularly along the border.
But that's not all that's being monitored. RSV is impacting the younger population in the state as some children's hospitals near capacity. Miller says RSV, the flu, and COVID-19 may strain healthcare systems this winter. The best way to prevent that, he says, is by getting vaccinated.
Vaccine clinics are widely available. Vaccines widely available right now.
Similar to COVID-19, he says the flu can have a bigger impact on kids, the elderly, and those with underlying health conditions. So as the temperatures drop in the state, they want people to be on alert for rising flu cases.
I've never gotten the flu vaccine, and I will be doing that now.
Miller again stresses the importance of staying home when sick and covering your sneeze or your cough. He says you can get vaccinated against the flu and COVID-19 at the same time. The health director wants people to prepare for health department messages to come out in the weeks ahead, encouraging people to get vaccinated. In the studio tonight, Tony Black, Fox 61 News.